Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your phone is very warm while charging. So actually this issue is very normal and common when you're charging your phone fastly or rapidly. So don't worry about that, you can just disable this option. But if you are not charging your phone rapidly, go to the settings of your phone here, and now you have to scroll down to the battery over here. Now you have to go straight to this diagram here, and now check for the background apps causing heat and high power consumption. Here, for example, if you do have some TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook things, just you have to go back to the apps, go back to the settings, and here you have to go straight to the apps over here, not battery, apps. Now tap App Manager and find the exact applications here. For example, let it be Amazon Music. Here you can now tap on the battery usage and tap Restrict Background Activity, then tap OK, and now your issue should be fixed. But if it isn't, check if you are using the original charger and the cable. It's very important when you are charging your phone to have the original charger and cable, because some Chinese ones or these untrusted ones or some of these cheap ones can damage your phone permanently and your battery permanently, and yes, we don't want that. So charge your phone only when you are sure that it is a certified battery and a cable. Of course, I can't say some of the Chinese chargers are good, but it's not that common. Apart from that, I want to tell you that you have to avoid using your phone when charging, or for example when you are gaming or you're watching some videos, etc. Avoid you doing that. It's because this causes heat in your phone, and we don't want that. And remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. It's because as you can see here, I don't actually have a case, but if I do have a case here, we would have a problem. It's because this is the barrier for our phone that covers our phone, and the heat can't dissipate that easily. And apart from that, charge your phone in a cool, ventilated area. So I think that charging your phone in a car it is heating your phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.